You might be wondering which of these two popular accounting software platforms offers the best forecasting tools for your business needs. Stick with me until the end because I'll not only break down their features, but I'll also share which one stands out for those specifically looking to improve their financial forecasting. Let's start by talking about Sage Business Cloud. One of the biggest selling points for Sage is its comprehensive, scalable set of tools. When it comes to forecasting, Sage offers some decent features. You can generate reports for income, cash flow, and profit and loss over time. The ability to integrate with a wide range of third-party applications is a plus, giving businesses the flexibility to expand and automate their financial processes. Next, let's talk about the user interface. It's solid, but it might feel overwhelming to some beginners. The software has a learning curve, especially when trying to set up custom forecasting models. The templates are useful, but not as intuitive as they could be, which may require some time to get used to. Now, moving on to ZipBooks. One thing I really like about ZipBooks is its simple, easy-to-use interface. If you're just starting out, or if you're a small business owner, ZipBooks offers an approach that's more beginner-friendly compared to Sage. It has built-in forecasting features that help you predict future cash flow and make decisions based on historical data. You can track your financial performance with ease and adjust forecasts as needed. However, where ZipBooks falls short is its flexibility. While it's great for smaller, more straightforward forecasting needs, it doesn't offer the depth or customization that Sage Business Cloud provides. If you're looking for something more tailored or have more complex needs, ZipBooks might leave you wanting more. Next, let's compare the accuracy of their forecasting. With Sage, you get more advanced forecasting, but it depends heavily on how well you've set up your financial data. If you've inputted everything correctly, the forecasts can be pretty accurate, but it's also easy for errors to slip in, especially when handling a lot of data. ZipBooks, on the other hand, does a good job at providing basic forecasts, but it can be limited by its simplicity. While it does a decent job predicting cash flow, the results may not be as detailed or reliable in more complex scenarios. The fourth thing to consider is cost. Sage Business Cloud isn't exactly cheap. The more advanced features, including forecasting tools, come with higher tier pricing. If you're just looking for basic forecasting, you might find Sage's pricing a bit much compared to ZipBooks, which offers a free version with a limited set of features. ZipBooks paid plans are also relatively affordable, but the trade-off is the reduced depth in forecasting. In conclusion, both platforms are solid, but if you're looking for powerful forecasting tools, Sage Business Cloud will likely suit larger businesses or those with more complex needs. ZipBooks is a fantastic option for smaller businesses or entrepreneurs who are just getting started and don't need advanced forecasting right away. But after testing both and considering the goal of accurate and flexible forecasting tools, I'd recommend checking out the free trial of the software linked in the description below. It's an alternative that outperforms both Sage and ZipBooks when it comes to forecasting, offering not only a better interface, but also more accurate predictions and advanced features. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Make sure to check it out and make the most of your business forecasting today.